Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and are ready for a weekend off. I'm going to be working on weekends, I'm afraid, but I work opposite Saturday and Sunday. That's the joy of retail, but never mind. Guys, today I'm so excited because I'm going to gift all of you this lovely freebie. So this page here has been designed from my brand new kit, which is called Cute Gnomes. On Monday we've done a video showcasing those papers, and we made a little ephemera gift box. I guess I called it a happy mail gift box because it looks like a mail, and you know, you can put treats, you can put a bar of soap, you can do, you know, you can put anything that you want in here. It's got a closure magnet, and then that is the back. I have used this paper here, so I will put the video linked at the end of this one in case you guys want to check it out, and also on the here on the info box. But let me show you the paper of this collection first. It's called Cute Gnomes. Why is it called Cute Gnomes? Well, look how cute the gnomes are. Can they be any cuter? So it's a paper pack full of gnomes. So you've got a couple of backgrounds. So you've got the one with the gnomes and kind of like a plain floral. I designed 2 pillow boxes with the gnomes on top. So this is like if you do, I don't know, little gift boxes with some autumn treats, or even you can use them for Halloween if you want, because, you know, there is some pumpkins there. Then there are 4 ephemera, so I just used my postcards, and then I just create them, just put the gnomes on top. And then another background, very similar to the previous one, but in a different scale. So again, the color palette is the same. And then last but not least, oh, look at them. These are embellishments. So you've got the doilies on the background, and then I put the gnomes on top. So again, the colors very similar. So you've got brown, burgundy, and a little bit of green, and all matches together. So you can either do use this embellishment on top of your pillow boxes if you want. You can make some little tags. You can layer those on top of these, and you create your own tags. Oh, so many different things that you guys can do. So, okay guys, as usual, 2 ways to get my freebie. If you follow me for a while, you probably know already. Number 1, it goes out on my newsletter. Every Friday at 9 p.m. British time, I send out a newsletter. I will put here on the screen on the left hand side what the newsletter looks like. It's an email that contains a recap of the week, videos, the papers of the week, etc. And there is always some chit chats and a discount code every week, or an offer at least. And also, the rest of the freebies are stored on my Facebook group, because by the time you watch this video, the email will already be sent out. Don't worry, it's not too late. You can get the hands on this one and about 200, 300 freebies that I have shared in the last 2-3 years on my Facebook group. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media, and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the three dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. Okay guys, so two ways, my newsletter and my Facebook group. Just want to take 20 seconds to say big shout out to the lovely Margie. Margie always leave a comments and she appreciates the newsletter, so I will put Margie's comment on the screen now. Guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, let me know if you create something with this page. Please share on my Facebook group so everybody can see it, because it's a very interactive platform. So I'm looking forward to see what you make with this page here. Have a wonderful weekend, whatever you guys do. Big thumbs up if you like this video, because it really helps me with my journey here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.